Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this video is for everybody who didn't prepare for this Mother's Day due to quarantine and are in need of serious recommendation of last minute gifts. So these are my top 5 last minute gifts that you can give your mother and make her Mother's Day a great one. And let's get into the video. You can also bake a cake for your mother. She'll definitely love the gesture even if you don't know how to cook. So here's a very easy recipe that I did and you can definitely check it out. So try and bake something for her. Have a desi mother like me, then both of us can agree they like to show off, they love to show off that what their kid did for them. So what you can do is get their old pictures, click pictures of them. Also you can add their new pictures that you have with them, edit it out in a very pretty video that I will show you next, and send it to her. It would be a virtual gift that she can forward and share to her friends that look, this is what my kid did for me.
I know that you go, my love, I'll pick up yours. My dreams, I hope one day can come. And I want to hold your hands when it is cold.
Another thing that you can do for your mother is just give her a day off, pamper her, and don't let her do any of the household work that she usually does for you. Do it for her and make it a very special day for her, because it is. And if you thought this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video, I post every Wednesday and Sunday. So that was it for this video. See you in the next one.